At ASML, we're very proud partners of the Van Gogh Museum and Van Gogh Brabant, and in addition to our research projects and our educational programs, we are always looking for ways to put this partnership to good use. So by working together with the Foundation for Hospital Art, we found a way to lighten up the walls of local hospitals and healthcare institutions, but also a way for employees to connect and be creative for a good cause.
So we are going to be sharing these murals all around the world. And so they start here in a small box, and then people begin to paint them. And then they're going to add to our collection where we've donated over 50,000 paintings around the world.
It's pretty exciting that this has become a global initiative, or ASML. So we're here painting today in San Diego. 2 days ago, we did this with our Silicon Valley employees. Last week, we were in Wilton, painting with employees there, and next week we'll be painting with our employees in Veldhoven at the headquarters and also at the Van Gogh Museum.
So the Van Gogh Museum and FFHA are collaborating together to brighten up walls in hospitals and healthcare organizations around the world. And we specially have made a Van Gogh Museum PaintFest kit based on 6 works that are in the permanent collection of the museum. The mission of the museum is to inspire a diverse audience with the life and work of Van Gogh. Art connects, art gives consolation. So working together with FFHA was just a great opportunity for us to connect people through art.
And ultimately, they're going to go on the wall, and when someone's going through a really rough time, they'll be able to look at that painting on the wall, and it's going to give them inspiration and hope for recovery.
Maxima Medisch Centrum is rooted in Brabant, and we like this initiative especially because our patients need some stress reduction. So that's why we love those paintings. They do a lot of good in our hospital, and thank you a lot for this opportunity and for the paintings.